Welcome to one of the wettest places on earth, Cherrapunji, India. Here we're standing in front of Nokalikai Falls. Yes, I had to look that up. But the falls is further down that way, and I will show you some footage. It is amazing. Look at this place, my friends. Cherrapunji is in the Meghalaya state of northeastern part of India. There are 7 states in this part of India, and so they call them sometimes the 7 Sisters. And this one is Cherrapunji city in Meghalaya state. Oh man, the nature here is crazy. Quite enjoying this hike. Beautiful nature here, like you're in a forest, like a Jurassic Park maybe. Really nice. It's super sunny, but because of all the gorgeous trees, it's not so hot. We came down this path, and now there's a big beautiful open area. There's a waterfall there. You can probably see it and hear it. And then look at this, there's little pools, and then the water continues to run down, and I believe the big waterfall, the main waterfall, is in that direction. Super sunny, but this landscape is incredible. Wow, there's pools everywhere from the river, and then it continues down. Check this out, and then it forms another waterfall. Wow, so cool. And then continues down. There's probably more waterfalls, and then the big one, which we are headed to still. Really cool. Here we are closer to the pool. Look at the color of this thing. Wow, so clear. I don't know if you could see on the GoPro, but you can see rays of light just beaming in. So amazing. Wow, look at this hole. It's almost perfectly round, and it goes all the way down, and you can see how far high we are. Hopefully you can see. Hello. And it just continues that way. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So we'll see how far we can get. Wow, check this out. There's the water at the end. Crazy. I believe that's the top of the waterfall. However, the path has ended. I'm not sure if or how I can get down there, because I mean, there's rocks and things, but I really don't see a path down, especially down here. So I'll take a look a bit longer and see what I can find. But man, what a beautiful place. Wow. apologize for not being able to find a path to the waterfall, but hopefully the drone footage makes up for it. Man, what an incredibly beautiful place. And the only fee so far was 50 rupees to park. Unbelievable. Wow, so nice. But just in case you come here, bring water, snacks if you want. You can swim in the pools if you like. They're cold as hell, but if you like. But of course there's no provisions here. It's not a long walk, so you don't need to bring anything, but if you're gonna hang out, bring some snacks and some water, whatever you like, because there's nothing available here. It's a bit quieter here. I got here yesterday actually, but the night falls really early here, before 5 p.m. So I rushed to probably the #1 tourist attraction in Cherrapunji, and that is the living roots bridges that they make out of trees. So that was the first thing I recorded yesterday, which is definitely worth seeing. And today I've brought you to Nokalikai Falls. I really thought it was just going to be a waterfall, but this whole landscape is breathtaking. It's crazy. The formations on the water itself. If you can see in the distance there, there's another waterfall. It's just waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. Even the hike here is so nice. It is not a standard hike. You actually have to climb up and down. It's pretty easy, but it's not a staircase. It's so green. It's so peaceful. The temperature's great. And yeah, but it goes straight up. And wait, there you go, straight down. Very nice experience. Even this hike is super cool. Wouldn't want to do it without this hike. So nice. About the falls we just visited. It is 340-meter fall. It is the highest plunge in India. That's a pretty nice waterfall. Pretty high, pretty nice. I'm in an all-you-can-eat restaurant, and it's really good. And every few seconds someone comes and asks me if I want a refill of one of my many delicious dishes. And it's really good. Orange Roots restaurant, man, that was good. Highly recommend if you're here. Not sponsored. Can't believe it's already 2:10. We have to rush to the next destination. Our next stop is the Garden of Caves. And what a cool place. They have 11 spots that you can check out. And this is spot number 1 and 2. 2 other spots. Spot number 3. Spot number 4 is looking promising. Wow. Check that out. Cool. Wow. Very neat. And we emerge. And on the other side is like a jungle. So pretty. Wow. Take a nice stroll. Very nicely done. Spot number 5 is a root waterfall. Look at this. What an interesting place. And the path allows you to just go right behind it. Whoa, it's dripping right from above. Wow, this is neat. Check this out. Whoa. Really pretty, right? Nature, amazing. Spot number 6, my friends, a waterfall. I can imagine that rainy season, that this place must be gushing like crazy. That's an interesting sign. Danger zone. Should we go into the danger zone? I think we should. Couldn't see the danger zone. I'm guessing it's because it's not rainy season and so the danger zone is out of service. Spot number 7 involves some steps. Ooh, sounds cool though. I think that's it. Wow, really nice place, man. It's like you're in the jungle. Very cool. Spot number 7. Ah, you can walk down right to the stair, right to the water. Let's check it out. Here we go. That's so cool. This one needs a lot of imagination. It's called Baby in Mother's Womb. Judge for yourself. And there it is. Number 9's looking cool so far. Look at this walkway they built. And it's quite long. And it's, I don't know, 20, 30 meters high. I'm not sure, but really cool. I like it. I already like 9. This looks like a nice place to just chill. Definitely a bit more constructed than the other places we've been, but still really nice. And this is 11. Oh, it's a heart shape. We have to move to a spot where it actually looks like a heart. That ain't it. Please wait. Alright, let's say that looks like a heart. Garden of Caves was cool. I wouldn't go out of my way to see it, but if it's on your way, yeah, cute little thing. But we're on our way because we have other things to see today, my friends. And the sun goes down so quick here. Oh my goodness. Meanwhile, look at where we are. High altitude. Such a beautiful place. Fun road too, I must say. It's just before sunset and our last stop today is Bangladesh. That's Bangladesh, my friends. Only about 6 kilometers in that direction is the border between India and Bangladesh. And this viewpoint lets you see Bangladesh.